Hello, bonjour! Today I will teach you the guacamole. Yes, you can just wing it. But listen to me. If you do it with using the weight, you know it will always be excellent. And that means that nobody is going to complain in the family. Or you won't feel like, oh, I messed up this one because I did too much of whatever. So stay with me, okay? Thank you so much. All right, so we start with the avocados. Avocados, when you push, you know the part attached to the tree? When you push, and you see my thumb is giving in, that means they're ready. Not so much like the touching the side, it's really this end. That was something that was taught to me by someone who is actually working in the avocado field. So they know. And it's quite nice. Look at this. It's quite a nice one. Now what I like to do also for the pit, I hold the avocado like this, and then I take my hand out as I hit the pit. And then to mash it, it's easier if you start in this half avocado. So I'm going to start right here and use my fork and score it like this. There. So it's already pre-mashed. That way it's faster. And we need to have 180 grams altogether. So let's see how much I have here. Put my scale to 0, and then with the spoon now, it will be easy because it's all mashed. There. So I've got 60. So I can see here that there are parts that are not good, so I'll take that out right away. There we are. Looks pretty good now. Let's do this one again, just like the other one. And again, the scoop. Scoop it out with the spoon. There we go. And this one, 106, so it might be a little short. We'll see. We'll see in a minute. Perfect. Let's see what we've got. We have 155. So we are 25 grams short. I will not open another avocado for that. What I will do though is, since it was 180 was my quantity that I needed, but I have 155, so I do 155 divided by 180. It's a good thing for you to learn, you see? So that means that I have to do 86% of the other ingredients. So I needed tomatoes, and I needed 60 grams, so 60 times 86%. That gives me 50 grams. There you go. And then I needed to have 30 grams of onion, so 30 times 86%, 25 grams. So 25 instead of 30, and 50 instead of 60. So I'll do the 50 right. Oh, and then for sure, one more thing is you finish mashing, because there is still some part. But you know, it's nice that your guacamole is a little bit chunky, right? Not too creamy. It's a better texture in the mouth. There we are. And now we add our 50 grams of tomato. I diced them already. I took out the seeds and the juice. And I keep, of course, the seeds and the juice for something else. I didn't throw it away. And then we need to have 25 grams of onion. So let's see what we've got here. I'm at 50 in my bowl here. So if I had this one, 65, 70, a little more. Another, there we go. Maybe that one will do. Yes, it does. Excellent. So when you do guacamole, you have the fat of the avocado. The avocado, the fat in the avocado is really satiating, and the thermogenic effect of the onion and the garlic speeds up your metabolism. There we go. I'll use the back of my knife to pick up everything. There we go. And the cilantro, I say 4 grams in my recipe. Let's see what we've got here. Well, as you can see, I lined up all the leaves, right? That's why I can cut this way. So now I just have the leaves, not the stem. And, oh, well, no, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I got 3 grams, so that's good. We'll leave it as that. And we need to have 4 grams of garlic, so that would be 3. Let's do 3. Yeah, that's this one. And this one, we need to mince. So let's mince it. There we are. Excellent, excellent. And we add lime juice, 14 grams. So that brings us to 100. There, right on. And the salt, I add just 1/4 teaspoon. So it's easy to adjust after, right? I like 1/4 teaspoon. It's not too much. You can do more if you like, but it's easy to adjust after. Now I'm looking for my spatula. I'll use this one here. Mix it, the beautiful colors together. Look at that. Oh, and that smells so good with the cilantro and the lime juice. Beautiful. I'll put it in a glass dish so you can see. And there, ready in no time. As usual. Enjoy. See you in the next one.